Hello, welcome to the Math Classroom. This section is for junior high schools. If you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe, like and share. Thank you to all my subscribers. Today, we are discussing multiples. Multiples. You may be asking yourself, what is multiples? You may have heard multiples throughout your study in mathematics. May have heard multiples of 5, then you keep doing 5, 10, 15, 20. It's the same thing we are looking at this level, but we are just taking it a step up to 2 decades, 3 decades, basically. So that when we say a multiple, so you are saying a multiple is found by multiplying it by any whole number. So I first need to have a whole number, times another word, whole number. Not just any number, but another word, whole word, number. Whole number. So that if I have, for example, if I have 5 times what? 9. 5 is a whole number, 9 is also a whole number. If I multiply 5 times 9, what do I get? You realize that I have what? 40 words, 5. So from here, we can say that 45 is a multiple of words 5, or a multiple of words 8. What comes to mind? Factors come to mind. Pair of factors. So you realize that this is what? 9. You realize that if I wanted to write factors of 45, I would have written 5. I would have had 9 as well. They are what? Pair. So that 45 is a multiple of words 5, or a multiple of words 9. So in general, what we are saying that the number is exactly divisible by the second number. So that 45 divided by 5 is what? 9. So the first number is said to be a multiple of what? The second word number. The first number, which is this, 45, is divisible by 5. You get what? 9. So that you could say that 45 here is a multiple of what? My second number, which is what? 5. If I had 45 divided by 9, I should get what? A whole number. Then I can say that my 45 here is a multiple of what? 9, for the example there. Another example, if we take 18. So for 18, you realize that 18 is exactly divisible by what? 2. 18 is exactly divisible by 2, because 18 divided by 2, what do you get? 9. And because 18 is exactly divisible by 2, I can say that 18 is a multiple of what? 2. If it was the other way, then 18 would have been a multiple of what? 9. So, when you were growing up, you realize that multiples, you were just adding. So that if you wanted to find multiples, you're just adding up the numbers. Adding up the numbers to itself over and over again. So when we're asked to find multiples multiples of 2, what were you doing? You are just adding up. You have 2, you add another 2, 4, you add 2, 6, 8, 10. That is another way of what? Writing words are multiples. Over, adding the number over and words over again. So, like I previously said, from here, you realize that multiples are related to factors. So multiples are related to what? To factors. Related to what? Factors. So that a number, so let me note here, a number is a factor of all multiples. All multiples. So like our 5 times 9, which is equal to 45, you realize that 45, okay, so 45, you realize that 45, our 45 here, my 45 is a multiple of what? 5. And our 5 is a factor of what? 45. This is a multiple of 5, but 5 is a factor of 45. Like I said, for the pair, you have what? 5 times 9. They are factors of what? 45. Let's look at this example and let's see. Let's say let's check which of these numbers are multiples of what? 13. Which of these numbers are multiples of 13? So what do I have? I have 30. I have what? 32. Okay, so I want to choose what? 16. Let's choose 16 here. 16. So I have 16. 16. So I have 30, 32, 43. I have 80. I have 100 and what? 2. Then I have what? 520. I want to check which of these numbers are multiples of what? 13. So you realize that if I want to, it should divide exactly. For it to be multiples of 16, I keep saying 13, 16, you realize that it should divide our number what? Exactly. But if I divide 30 by 16, what do you have? Pause the video and let's do it and see. 30 divided by 60, what did you guess? You realize that you are getting 1.87 was 5. If I take 32 divided by 16, what do you have? You have what? 2. If I pick, so let's see. So you realize that this is not a multiple, but this is a multiple. Then I have what? 43 divided by 16. 43 divided by 16. What do you have? 16. 43 divided by 16. You have 2.687 what? 5. Then 80 divided by 16. Let's do that and see. What did you get? you have what? 5. Then 102 divided by 16. Do it and let's see. Very good. 7. Then 520 divided by what? 16 is giving us what? 32.5. So you realize this is not a multiple because it doesn't divide exactly. This is this and what? That. So the numbers that are multiples of what? 16. It means 16 can divide exactly. 16 ebetumi akɔ mu a wonya remainder biara ɛyɛ wei ɛne wei ɛnka ho because yɛnya den decimal. So you have what? 32, 80 and what? 100 and what? 2. Very good. Thank you and take care.